Still waiting for the perfect time to start your business? Maybe you keep telling yourself you'll begin next week or next month when things finally feel right. But let's be honest, there's never a perfect moment. The only thing standing between you and your dream is the decision to start. Let me tell you something. 90 days from now, you could either be stuck in the same place, still wishing and waiting, or you could be running your own business, making money, and building a future you're proud of. The choice is yours. This blueprint has helped thousands go from zero to income in just 3 months. And trust me, it can work for you too. No matter your background, age, or experience, you can take these steps and see real results. All right, let's break it down. If you're broke, clueless, or just plain tired of waiting, here's how you can launch a profitable business in 90 days. Yes, even with zero money. You don't need a fancy degree, a big bank account, or a secret connection. All you need is commitment and a willingness to learn. Let's start with the first 30 days. This is your foundation, your launch pad. Your only job? Pick one profitable business model. Not 10 ideas, not 5, just one. Focus is your superpower here. Don't get distracted by shiny objects or what everyone else is doing. It could be content writing, dropshipping, digital marketing, freelancing, coaching, whatever matches your skills or interests. Think about what you enjoy, what you're good at, and what people are willing to pay for. Now, become obsessed with learning. Binge YouTube tutorials. Watch every video you can find on your chosen business model. Take notes, pause, rewind, and really absorb the information. Take a free Udemy or Coursera course. Attend online masterclasses. Join free webinars and listen to podcasts from people who've already done what you want to do. The internet is packed with free resources. Use them. You don't need to know everything, just the basics to get started. Don't let information overload stop you. Learn enough to take action, and you'll figure out the rest as you go. Trust me, action beats perfection every single time. The people who win are the ones who start, not the ones who wait until they feel ready. Days 30 to 60, this is where most people freeze. They get stuck in learning mode, afraid to put themselves out there. But you won't. You're going to break through that wall. Now start applying your skill. Don't wait for someone to give you permission. Start small, start messy, but just start. Offer it for free. Yes, you heard me. Free. Reach out to local businesses, friends, or even strangers online who could use your help. Why? Because results are your currency right now. Help a small business. Support a friend's startup. The experience you gain is worth more than money at this stage. Or just build your own mini project. Create something you can show off. A website, a product, a service, anything that proves you can deliver. The whole idea is to gain real experience and create a case study you can show off with confidence. Document your process, track your results, and gather testimonials if you can. Now, days 60 to 90. This is the home stretch, the most exciting part. You've got your proof, you've got your work. It's time to turn that skill into income. Start reaching out to potential clients and let them know what you can do. Take your case study, use it as social proof. Show people the real results you've achieved and let your work speak for itself. Post it on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, slide into DMs. Share your story and your results everywhere you can. Put yourself on freelance platforms. Set up your profiles on Upwork, Fiverr, or any site where your clients hang out. Don't be afraid to pitch your services. Remember, people don't pay for promises. They pay for results. And now, you've got results to show. You're not just another beginner, you're someone with proof. So, if you're serious about building passive income and launching your dream business, subscribe to Arzog Global right now. Don't let another 90 days slip by. We drop daily blueprints, money tips, and real stories of people just like you turning skills into cash flow. Your journey starts here. Take the first step today, and let's build your business together, one day at a time.